A very warm welcome to the channel and a very warm welcome to the ultimate Arizona motorcycle adventure. And as you can see, I've got my Route 66 t-shirt on because that's basically one of the roads there we're going to be going on. Not only Route 66, but we're also going to be doing the 89A all the way through Sedona and down through Jerome, Prescott, and then back here to Yuma. So without any further ado, I'm going to head over, meet the guys, because we've got a crew coming with us, and we'll see you guys later in the video. So the first stop, because obviously when you get people our age, you have to go to the little boys' room, or the little girls' room, irrespective. And crew introduction time. This is Keith. Hi Keith. And his beautiful wife Sherry. Huh? Alright, breakfast stop here at the Crossroads Cafe. I'm starving, so let's get in there and do this. So we're going to hit the road now. We're going to make our way up through, well, we have to actually go into California for just a little tiny bit. We're going to go over the Parker Dam, then we're going to head north on Highway 95 through Lake Havasu. And that is on the Arizona Riviera. Some of the riverside views there are stunning. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to get mounted up and get ourselves back on the road. The big question. Jacket or no jacket? Oh man, it is. Jacket off. I think so, because the temperature's 33 degrees. Yeah, we might have to. And that's Celsius. Yeah, as we get up to Jerome. Yeah, we might have to put the jacket back on. Up to Oatman. Oatman, yeah. But there's that viewpoint, isn't there? Oh yeah, so we'll put the jacket back on there. Okay, right. Yeah, so we can't come to Lake Havasu, the home of London Bridge, without riding across it and obviously going and having a look. There she is, the world famous London Bridge here in Lake Havasu. Now if you've been watching our videos, you'll know what we've been doing. Oh, you can tell you're in Lake Havasu. That thing is a huge big boat with a massive engine. Anyway, if you've been watching our videos, you'll know that my friend Lisa has been asking me to swing by all the Harley shops as we've been going on our travels and pick up these, it's like a little poker chip, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to just head on into London Bridge Harley and pick up a poker chip. Right, are we doing that one? I think so. With London Bridge on it? Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. Make a noise like some money man. So I guess when you own a Harley Davidson, you cannot come in a Harley Davidson merch store without buying something. just had to pull over for a quick bathroom break in the desert, but hey, what an amazing spot to stop at. I didn't realise just how gorgeous this is. Take a look at this. So Mandy's got her, I'm not pointing at your boobs, but
yes, tiny boobs. Go on.
Look, Route 66.
Yeah.
And what's that, Mans?
That is Route 66.
Did you get the highway sign back?
Okay, Keith, the saloon is just up the road. That way. Yeah. Oh yeah, wait till you see this saloon. This is a saloon. And I said to Paul, I said, would you like to go for a cold drink?
Yeah, absolutely.
I think we're maybe too late today, but what's really cool is they have these gunfights right here in the street. And they get the cap guns out and they stand there and they shout at each other and egg each other on, and all crowds around, and then it's bang, bang, bang. It's so cool. All right, so this is the bar, and we're just gonna head off inside. All right, let's check this out. How cool is that?
Okay, so you're making your donation.
Okay, so here we are. I'm gonna add my dollar to the over $500,000. There we go. So that was an absolutely excellent beer o'clock stop. So again, we're just going to hit the road and we're going to do the sidewinder now. Our first night, we found ourselves, oh no, the guys have found it, a really cool bar. You know, one of those bars where it's all pool and cold beer and hot wings and that kind of thing. You ready for it, Mike?
I think so. I think I'm ready to ride.
All good.
We're going up to Cold Sedona. I mean,
very ready
like,
to ride. Right, our first stop is the very famous Hackberry General Store. Tons and tons of Route 66 history, and let's go check out some memorabilia as well. It's so cool. Hey, thought you might like this. And just check out this old jukebox. Isn't that something? And all these folks here are all from Brazil, so they're doing part of Route 66. So these are rental Harleys by the looks of things, because this bunch of guys are on, they're all on identical bikes. But this guy's left, well no, we've managed to get it off. He'd left his ignition on, but we sorted him out. place was cool, but is this cool or is this cool?
Did you hear that? You got to get on top of the bar and dance.
Oh,
He said this place is cool. That means he should already know that, or he lied to you.
Oh, there you go, Mike. Hey,
Thank you.
look at that. You even get a roadkill.
You get the real thing.
You get the real thing, the
Yeah.
roadkill mug.
I've had gold wings, and they are so smooth. But this Harley, I've had a lot of Harleys, but this Harley is the roughest fighting Harley I've ever had. And you feel every one.
The last time I was here in Seligman, I went in this store here and I was chatting with the lady that owns it, and they do these license plates, and I'm like, so where's your British Columbia license plates? Because they're all over the store. She says, I haven't got one. So I said, right, the next time I am back here in Seligman, I'm going to bring you a British Columbia license plate. So, promise made, and now I'm going to keep that promise. Now let's go see how much money Amanda has spent already. And there's Angel. Well, a cardboard cutout, but there he is, the man himself. Thank you. Thanks, guys.
The edge is right here, just right here a little bit, and then maybe this much off the top.
You do realise, guys, that you could spend like all day just looking at all these memorabilia stores and
Absolutely. And probably not see the same thing twice.
nope. Stop, but by no means the least stop, is here in Sedona. We're just going to find something. Oh, Mandy wants a what? Ice cream? Oh, we don't know. We're going to either drink coffee or have an ice cream, or we might just have a beer. Fortunately, we're going to have to just sit here and take this view in. Look at that. Well, that's just been a very quick visit to Sedona. Even though the weather, it's a bit cloudy and overcast, still very stunning indeed. We've just got, I don't know, maybe an hour to Cottonwood, and we're going to stay there the night, and then we'll carry on tomorrow and go up to Jerome on the 89A. And some more twisties, so I'm looking forward to that. So I've got to show you this absolutely gorgeous sunset. There's our hotel, and here is the restaurant that we're going to. So after a long hard day, Andrew deserves a larger than average beer. Cheers, mate. So we're here in Cottonwood. Today we will be leaving and heading through the awesome old mining town of Jerome, and then down to Prescott, and making our way down the 89A with all those lovely twisties, and hitting Yuma late this afternoon, where it's supposed to be about 90 degrees again. So as you can see, a beautiful bluebird day, and you can't beat a little bit of sunshine when you're riding. All right, let's go and hit the road. So we've just stopped at this viewpoint, which is just absolutely gorgeous. But we're getting ourselves ready now, because up there are all the twisties. And on a day like this, oh my God, it's just going to be absolutely amazing. So just tell me, how good was that?
Oh, that was awesome.
Oh,
I think
yeah.
we got a little bit for the rest of the guys to catch up.
Yeah,
But
well,
we hammered that
I
day.
thought,
That was awesome.
you know what, on a day like this, with these weather conditions, I'm having it.
Yeah. Nice hill. I told you it was.
How was that, Mike? And the best bit, you go right up to 7,000 feet above sea level.
Oh, you can feel
Oh,
the
man.
change.
Oh yeah.
Like Tabby said, as soon as you hit that first corner, I start chuckling. I'm like, this is going to be fun.
Oh man, does it get, it seriously does not get any better than that.
What a great road.
What an amazing, what I love about that is the cambers.
Yeah.
You know, as you're taking each corner and the cambers are going,
I finally got her to scrape.
oh good, good. Yeah.
No complaints there.
There's the old adage, was that good for you?
You know you're out having fun.
It was awesome.
Were you getting the dig in the rib?
I said, I don't know.
The legs were really
Huh?
tight.
Oh, and I've got cramp in my groin because I was holding onto the tank that hard, and I'm thinking, don't cramp up, don't cramp up.
Just a little bit harder. Heartbeats just a little bit faster. The sweat begins to drip. You're thinking this is it. You're gonna burn through this. 'Cause you can only run so long, and you can only right some wrong. Yeah, forgiveness is a virtue, but they all wanna hurt you. Can't hide your guilty conscience.
Right, so our very last stop on this culinary adventure is probably one of the best pizza places in the entirety of Arizona. Silly Al's here in Quartzsite. Highly recommend it, highly recommend it. It is fantastic.
Does Mike know you come here?
Yeah, we told him.
Well, all I can say after eating one of Silly Al's pizzas is, oh my gosh, delicious, absolutely delicious, and huge. I mean, I don't know if you saw the size of those pizzas, enormous. And we've got, I'll just turn the camera around, so we're gonna have to take a box with us. All right, let's figure out how we're gonna do this, man, and we'll see the guys on the road.
You don't know what's around the corner, and the quiet always feels like torture. Yeah, this is gonna haunt you, at least until they got you. Can't hide your guilty conscience. Somebody
And there we are, after over 1,000 kilometers, 3 days of
How many
just,
miles?
come on, I don't know, 650.
No,
We are back safe and sound and having had an absolutely amazing time. Thank you guys.
You betcha.
Love you
Thank
to
you.
bits. Thank you.
Till we do it again.
There we go. So while everybody's kissing and hugging and saying goodbye and thanking everybody for such a great trip, all that remains to be done is say thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. The boys are just leaving. If you do like what we do, please give us a big fat thumbs up. Consider subscribing, because we would love to have you guys along for the journey. And with that, I'm going to go to the outro and just simply pull it across. There we go.